How to disable shake to undo on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to disable shake to undo on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings app. Then we need to scroll down and find option accessibility and tap on it. Here we should find option touch and click on it. In appear menu we should find option shake to undo and just switch it off. And after this, if you shake your mobile phone, the phone will not suggest you to delete this text. And that's all. It was how to disable shake to undo on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.